Namaste all. Let us solve this given equation. So what they have given is the under root of 0.0625 times x equal to 2.5, and we need to find the value of x. So already I have written the given part. First, what shall we do? We have to eliminate this square root. So how do we eliminate the square root? By squaring it on both sides. So after squaring, so what remains? 0.0625 times x equal to, now 2.5 becomes 2.5 square because we have squared it. Now if we are finding it difficult to deal with decimal number, so let us convert it into fraction. So 0.0625 can be written as 625 divided by 10,000. Right, 4 zeros now, because we are having, after decimal we are having 4 numbers here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, after decimal point we are having 4 digits. So 0.0625 can be written as 625 divided by 10,000. So before squaring this 2.5, let me convert this into fraction. 2.5 can be written as 25 by 10. Now, so we will write down 625 divided by 10,000 times x. Now we will square it. What is 25 square? 625. What is 10 square? 100. Now I am going to transpose. I am going to simplify it. So what I am going to do? I am going to transpose this 625 by 10,000 to the RHS. So what happens? 10,000 goes to the numerator. 625 comes to the denominator. Can we have any option to cancel? Of course, 625 gets reduced. Now these two zeros gets eliminated. So what are we left with now? We are left with x equal to 100. So finally we got the value of x as 100. So this is the answer. See you in the next video. Thank you.